Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back up here in Savannah, Missouri, getting close to completion on our cinder block wall rebuild. This is the side cinder block wall. So yeah, right now we are in the process. We got about 4 rows or so left to do. Getting one laid out now. We've got our line in place to make sure that when we get these this top row into position, everything's perfectly vertical, perfectly level. One thing I want to point out, we do not just rebuild cinder block walls hollow like most block foundation walls are typically constructed. So when we do a rebuild, we want to maximize the structural stability of these walls. So every hole in each individual cinder block is filled with high strength concrete. We also have our rebar in place. So we really want to make sure that this wall is constructed correctly the first time that it's done engineering sound. Wanted to take a quick look also. We do have a gap here, and we're going to get this rebar cut out. But this is for an egress window that the customer wanted on this wall, so we've made sure to block that out on the rebuild, just so we can accommodate that. On the original wall, if you can see here, this section jutting out, that was supporting the load-bearing beam right here, so we made sure that was constructed also as part of our rebuild. So yeah, right now we are just getting very close to finishing this up. Tomorrow we should just need to coat the outside of the wall with commercial foundation tar. We want to make sure that it is properly sealed, waterproof before we get this dirt backfilled. The only other part of this project, we also installed 2 King Pier 2s under the footing to raise this floor back to level. And then on the front of this wall, we are going to, from about the base of the wall up about 4 inches, we're going to repair with, again, some high-strength concrete. Just make sure the wall is properly sealed at the base. And then, as needed, we will tuck point around the exterior of the house with some fresh concrete mortar. But yeah, we love these cinder block rebuild jobs because it looks so good when it's done. It's done correctly. We don't leave any hollow spots on these walls. So this is going to be a very strong, stable foundation wall once everything is finished up. So stay tuned for more updates on this project out here in Savannah. You can check those updates again out on our YouTube and Facebook pages if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.